is your favorite memory?
Hey everyone! My favorite memory from this school year was deciding what our mascot would be. I had so much fun looking at all the drawings and submissions and the names from every grade level, and then our assembly to announce the winner of that mascot drawing, and when we became the TCO Phoenixes. Definitely a great memory.
Hi everyone, TCO has been a wonderful experience, and I am so glad I got to know you all, staff and students. My favorite part of this school year was popping in to Google Meets in all grade levels K-8, dressed up as Thing 1. So that was fun, and I got to read books, Dr. Seuss books that day, and get to know some of you a little bit better. It's been a great time. Thank you for everything. Have a great summer.
Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Litt, and I'm sharing my favorite memory from TCO this year. And it was definitely me getting to know so many of our students in our school. It was great to watch students learn and to be a part of their education. I also loved the staff, and I'm going to miss all of you so much. So you guys have a wonderful summer. Take care. Bye-bye.
Well, hello. I am Mrs. Gupton, the fourth grade teacher of TCO this year. Welcome to Big Valley. This is one of my favorite places to spend time outdoors in the summer. And welcome to summer. You did it. Another school year done. Congratulations. I know that you worked really hard this year. One of my favorite memories was coming to join you at TCO this fall and getting to know each one of my students and their families. I loved our morning connection times and playing new music with each other, listening to your curiosity about the new things that you were learning and discovering those wonderings. I loved sharing my storyteller, Mr. Mike, with you, and it was a fantastic year together. I really loved it, and I hope you did too. I look forward to meeting you in person after school today, and have a great summer, TCO. Go Phoenixes!
My favorite memory from the school year is working with my students.
Hi, this is Ms. Backus, and one of my favorite memories out of many from this school year was when we were done with our CMAS testing and we had students outside playing heads up because we were live and we were just having fun hanging out, and the word was floss, and everybody was trying to get the other students to guess it by flossing their teeth, and Jay Estes actually did the dance, the floss, and that's how the student got the answer correct, and it was just hysterical. It cracked me up. It was so fun to be with each other live and in person just for that moment, so that was one of my best experiences.
Hi kids, congratulations on completing another school year. This was such a wonderful year for me to be a teacher. I loved working with both my fabulous fourth graders and my phenomenal fifth graders. So thank you so much for spending your year, or at least part of it, with me. When I look back on one of my favorite memories, it was earlier in the year when we were working with both fourth and fifth grade, and we created Thompson Memorial Hospital. That was so much fun, and I loved watching you guys be so engaged and excited and work so hard together. And then I really enjoyed watching you present to your families and your friends and some of the staff at our school. It was really a fun experience for me, and I especially loved calling you all doctors. And maybe someday I will get to call you doctors for real. That would be so cool. Congratulations again, you all.
Hey, TCO Saya, TCO, everybody out there, I wanted to jump on. This is Mrs. Saya, kindergarten and first grade teacher, coming in to share some of my best memories with all of you. Specifically, I think for our whole school, voting and creating and coming up with our very first mascot, the TCO Phoenixes. I thought that was fantastic. I love the mascot. I love the artwork that went into it. Mars, one of our first graders, his drawing became our official mascot. So that was super exciting. I love our whole school assemblies when we all get together a few times this year. That was fun. specifically to kindergarten and first graders. Your wax museum, you were amazing. Your dioramas, your research projects. I loved going into breakout rooms with all of you. I loved our morning time together when we got to say good morning and sing and dance and get ready for our day. I appreciate all your hard work. You are amazing. I feel so fortunate to have been your teacher this year. Amazing kids, incredible families, incredible support. It was just an awesome year. And I want to send you off with one little song here, okay? Here we go. TCO Saya was such a blast. I can't believe it's over. It really went by fast. We learned a lot and had fun. Now the time is done. And TCO Saya and K and first and second and third and fourth and fifth and everybody out there online, you are number one. Happy summer, everybody.
Hello. So I've been asked to give a memorable memory. That's a little redundant. Try saying that 2 times fast. It's really hard. 5 times. It's really hard to choose one memory because I feel like every day with 8th grade and 7th grade and 6th grade is my favorite memory. But if I could think of one in particular, it would be 4 months ago today, my very first advisory with 8th grade. And I was really nervous because even teachers get nervous. And 8th grade was so kind to me and so accepting and respectful and just the wonderful, wonderful students that they are every day. And I remember as we were saying bye, a student wrote in chat and said, "Well, I think that went really well, don't you?" And I just thought, oh my gosh, how lucky am I to get to work with such great students. And that just made me feel so happy. And I knew I could do it and that we were going to have a good end of the year together, which we have. Thank you.
My favorite memory of this school year was being able to start with my 2nd grade class in November and just having so much fun with them.
TCO family, my name is Bill Renzelman, and it's been my privilege to be a part of TCO for the past 2 years. This year, as the middle school math and science teacher, one of my favorite parts of TCO has been the opportunity to get to know so many of you. Even though we may be working and learning remotely, through our conversations, it has been fun to learn about your interests and what brings joy to your life. Thank you for your partnership in this learning journey. Best wishes on the road ahead.
Hello, TCO families, kids, teachers, all my colleagues, everyone. I've had so many great memories with you guys. I had a hard time trying to remember all of them, but one of my favorites was our Wilson. How many times do we get to call each other Wilson when we can't see each other's smiles? So here was my Wilson impersonation. I absolutely loved having our kids' Cocoa Corners where we got to sit and just chat kids and talk about things. And I loved how we had our music times where you would send me music that you would want to hear and I could play before our meetings. I loved having our kids' picnic lunches. You enjoyed them as well. I loved my parent tea times where I just got to connect with other adults. But I want to leave you with this. Whenever you're stuck and you don't think you can do it, I want you to remember my beautiful singing. You can do it, no matter where you are. Take that with you guys. Remember, you can do it. Have a wonderful summer, and I hope to hear from you all in the fall. Let me know how you're doing.
Hi TCO Phoenixes. I just want to share that my favorite memory of the year has been all my connection times with all of you. I have really loved getting to know you and getting to see your pets. That's probably my favorite part. Playing lots of games and really just getting to spend time with you. You are all amazing and wonderful, and I have really enjoyed this year. So thanks for being awesome and letting me spend some time with you. And I hope you have an amazing summer, and I know you're going to do great things. See you later.